Installing a power bus bar. Align the screw holes on the power bus bar with the corresponding screw holes on the system board and power distribution board, and then lower the power bus bar into place. Fasten the main system board screw to secure the power bus bar to the system board. Fasten the main PDB screw to secure the power bus bar to the power distribution board. Fasten 6 outer screws to secure the power bus bar. If necessary, reinstall the PCIe riser assembly in the node and reconnect the required PCIe cables to the system board. Reinstall the fan cage in the node and reconnect all the fan cables to the system board. If necessary, reinstall the internal adapter bracket and reconnect all the required cables to the internal adapter. If necessary, reinstall the GPU air duct. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.